How's it going, everybody? Today I am unboxing the new, the latest, the greatest iMac. This is the 27-inch iMac with 5K Retina Display. I've got a lot to talk about here in this unboxing, but before we even open it up, I just want to talk about a few of the specs that Apple boasts for this thing. First off, it's boasting that it has 1.8 times faster video editing, 1.7 times faster gaming, 1.7 times faster 3D graphics. It can have up to a 3 terabyte Fusion drive. Currently, the default is a 1 terabyte Fusion drive. It has 8 gigabytes of VRAM. Its Retina display is brighter than any other display before. It says that it has 1 billion colors. So apparently you'll see all the colors that you take in this. It's 43% brighter than the previous model of the iMac, and I don't think you can forget just how much thinner and how much cleaner this model looks as well. There's a lot of things that really excite me about this computer. I talked about stepping up the quality of my content, and this is just another step to that, I believe. Some of the capabilities here I think will really allow me to enhance what I do. This starts at a whopping $23.99, so it is not a cheap computer, but I think there's definitely some stuff that is worthwhile here. So this product boasts Apple's newest i7 core processor and has its Magic Keyboard, Magic Mouse, and Magic Trackpad. So really excited to see what's in the box. I'm going to open it up, tell you what we got inside the box, and we'll take a look. Slice her open at the back here. We can take a look at what we got in the box. Alright, so in the top of the box here, we have the keyboard. I will open this up and take a look for you guys. Just slides out like this. Oh, and there's a mouse here too, and I quite like the way this is packaged. So, here is our mouse. Basically the exact same as the current mouse. Nice sleek design. Quite like it, and it can just slide back into this bag. Keyboard just pops out nicely. Again, it looks pretty smooth, pretty nice. It's just the standard keyboard that Apple's had forever that you charge here at the end. The lightning cable, pretty simple. No need for batteries. In here we do get a lightning cable, which is quite nice to get, and we also get just your handy instruction booklets. Now, as we've come to expect with all Apple products, obviously it's packaged really nicely. That's kind of just become part of their signature. And the computer itself. Just take the wrapping off here. Very, very nice material that they've used. And underneath here is the iMac. Looks pretty sick if you ask me. So just to recap what we get in the box, we get the actual computer. We get the cable for it to plug into the wall. We get the keyboard and mouse over here, a bunch of manuals, and a lightning cable. Overall, really happy with what we got here. As with any Apple product, very nicely packaged, very excited to see how this works. And I don't really have much to say over this other than, once again, just impressed. I'm impressed. Thanks so much for watching, guys. If you found this unboxing useful at all, or if you enjoyed it, please like the video, and if you're enjoying my channel content, don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.